TKL gaming keyboard with Gateron Pro Switch by Porodo Gaming. This mechanical keyboard offers a distinctive experience. They come with the option of red switches, which have a smooth sound, and blue switches, which have a more click sound, with a lifetime of 50 million clicks, indicating their exceptional durability over time. The keyboard has 87 swappable keys, which are anti-ghosting, which means no matter how fast you press the keys, all commands will be executed without any conflict. The keyboard offers 3 connection methods: Bluetooth, a 2.4 GHz dongle, and wired. Each of these methods are a very low latency. This keyboard also comes with an RGB lighting system and offers 20 different modes. Its design and weight are exactly what every gamer seeks. A truly different experience from Porodo's gaming products.